That was really great.
That was wonderful.
I know. What? This is my personal best. Let's start the show, guys. I have to make a confession. I'm a little bit in love with this. I don't mean myself. I mean this. A piece of wood. That's a 6-piece jigsaw puzzle. That's the size and shape and look of a deck of cards. It's opened my show at the Magic Castle more times than I can count. This is the Jigsaw deck, and what do you do with it? Well, imagine starting your show, or at any time in your show, putting together this jigsaw puzzle that happens to look like a deck of cards, and then it becomes a deck of cards. You then use that deck, maybe for the rest of your act. I love this plot, I think because it's so memorable. No audience is going to forget that you put a puzzle together that became the deck of cards you did your show with. We supply the Jigsaw deck the gimmicks that makes this happen almost automatically. But because this went through many years of evolution, I'm also going to teach you a sleight of hand version you can do with your Jigsaw prop. Is it easy to do? It happens to be very easy to do. The Jigsaw deck, available now.